What's up everybody, this is Danny and I'm here on a very cold night in Paris testing out the brand new Huawei P30 Pro, and this has a brand new 40 megapixel super spectrum sensor that's supposed to let 40% more light in. So what I want to do is test the low light performance versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So I'm going to take a bunch of pictures tonight. We're going to see which one is the better one, and I want to shout out Squarespace for sponsoring this video. First picture I'm going to take, of course, is of the Eiffel Tower. So here is the P30 Pro, and here is the Galaxy S10 Plus picture. And then what we're going to do is test out the zoom. So the Galaxy S10 Plus has a 2x telephoto lens. We'll take a picture with that right here. And then the next step up here on the P30 Pro is actually a 5x zoom. So that's already pretty crazy on its own. And we'll take a shot here. But this thing has a 10x lossless zoom. So we'll go into this. Man, look at that detail. That's crazy. And you can see there's plenty of detail still in this shot, which is pretty crazy. Let's go all the way to the light tower and see what we can get for 10x zoom. And surprisingly, wow, look at the detail on that. That's all the way to the top, by the way. It's really, really far up. So 10x zoom, that's pretty legit. All right, found a cool little spot here with a lot of different light. So I'm gonna try to take a picture of this here with the S10 Plus, there we go. And with the Huawei P30 Pro. Look at both of these really quickly here. And it looks like that the Samsung is going definitely warmer here for sure. And the Huawei here is also going a little bit cooler, but I'm thinking I like the S10 a little bit better here. Let's go in for the zoom here and see how this looks. I'm gonna go for the 5x here on the Huawei. So let's go to the bike that's down there on the 5x. There we go. And let's go for the 2x telephoto here on the S10 Plus. And then for fun, let's just go 10x on this and see what kind of detail we can get out of that bike. There we go, let's get it to focus. And wow, look at that 10x, even in low light, that's not bad at all. Since I can't see them on the computer and really determine what they look like, I'm just gonna take a whole bunch of shots, put them side by side. I'm gonna let you decide which one is the better one, so just comment in the comment section below which one you think is better. And I'm gonna have a full camera comparison coming soon when I get home, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. As you can see in this video, it's extremely dark in this alleyway. Let's see how this works. Here's a quick video of the Eiffel Tower. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch off from the audio sources so you can tell me which microphone pickup is a little bit better. It's actually a silent night here in Paris, which is really weird, right? Should be hearing more noise than this. But from what I can see on the screen, it looks like the Huawei P30 Pro is doing a better job of noise reduction, and the sky is nice and pitch black, where I see the S10 Plus is just trying to let as much light in as possible, and the sky actually looks a little bit grainy here. Let me know what you think. So let me know which camera that you think won. I had a lot of fun shooting this, and I want to shout out my sponsor, Squarespace, for this video. And if you don't know about Squarespace, you definitely should, because if you want to build any type of website, an online store, you can do that easily with Squarespace. What's awesome is I bought a GoDaddy domain like 2 or 3 years ago, and now I can switch that over because Squarespace supports it. It's easy to do. They have beautiful online templates, easy to build a website. So all you got to do is hit that link down below, squarespace.com/DannyWinget, and get 10% off. So let me know how that goes. Stay tuned for more P30 Pro videos coming from Paris, and I will see you guys in the next one.